What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. I hope y'all are having a very blessed day. Today we got a 2007 Chevy Malibu. I'm going to show y'all how to take this radio out and install your own. This is your first time here. Please consider subscribing because these are the type of things that we like to do. Car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, first thing you want to do is go ahead and drop this part. Like, this doesn't have to come off all the way, but this dash does come down and curve in. So there's 1/7 mil right here that you have to take out. I already taken this out, and the reason I've taken it out first, and I usually don't do this, but I wanted to make sure that this part had to come off before I actually started doing stuff, and I ended up taking it out, and it does have to come off. So 7 mil down here. There's also a 7 mil right there. There's a clip right here and another clip right there. Now, you also have to take off this part. I just used my panel removal tool, pop that off. It's only held in by 3 clips. Once you take that out, it have 1/7 mil that's hooked up right here, another 7 mil that is right there. Once you have those out, we will be able to drop that like that. Turn my light on. And that's literally all you need. But as you can see, this dash kit, right, this dash bezel goes all the way down, and it links right there to where that 7 mil that we had to take out first from this side. If you do not take this out and you try to pry on this dash, you're going to end up breaking that piece, and it's not going to be secure on that side. So, all right, so we're going to come over here on the passenger side, use our panel removal tool. Right there. Pop that clip. All right, and then it's going to be the same 2 7 mils that we had from the other side. I'm going to go ahead and take them out. Dude, we have one right here, and one right there. So I'm going to drop the glove box, and this glove box just has these little tabs. You just want to push in on it, and we're going to take out all these 7 mils. I know we have these 2 at the bottom. And we got one more 7 mil down here at the bottom. Now that we have that one out, this drops down low enough, and I'm probably gonna get back, see if I can do it from here. All right, should be able to put my finger right there, pop that off. Using all fingers. Uh-oh. So you're gonna have to come off. All right, because you're being blocked by that. Yeah, that's giving me a little bit more leeway. So that tells me that you might have to come off. Yeah, go ahead and pop them wood grains off. Boom, let's learn that together, baby. Yes, indeed. Got a little clip over here in the corner. Being a little stubborn. Let me use 2 hands. It's an older car, don't want to break it. All right, all that stuff released. We are able to slide that bad boy up. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that harness right here at the top so we can take the entire thing off. We disconnect the harnesses in the back. That gives us this piece. Just gonna slide it right there. 7 mils. 1, 2, 3 on the right, 3 on the left. We're gonna have that radio. All right, all them 7 mils out. All we gotta do is disconnect. Boom, disconnect. Boom. All right, so we have that radio out now. We got all the harnesses disconnected. Let's go over here to the bench and get that dash prepped. All right, y'all, here we have our radio right here. Putting this dash kit together is extremely easy. Don't worry about it. I will have all these product links in the description. But what you want to do is you come over here and you see this hole right here. There's one on the top, one on the bottom. You are going to take these 2 and slide it between those holes from the back side. So we're going to take that just like this. Slide it just like that. They are labeled R for the R for the left, R for the right, L for the left. As soon as we put those in here, just like that, we're going to sit the radio up and slide that dash kit right over the radio, just like that. So now we want to take the screws that actually came with the radio, put 2 on the right, 2 on the left, and we should be good. Left, we got that thing looking nice. Now let's get it wired up and get back inside the car. All right, y'all, so we are back inside the car. We got this thing wired up. This is your first time here. You're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over the wiring? Well, the reason I do that is because I have over 200 different radio removal and install videos, and if I took the time to go over the wiring each and every single time, then I'll add about an additional 5 to 10 minutes to each video, and I like these to be short, sweet, straight to the point. So what I did is I made one video showing y'all how to wire up an aftermarket radio. I go over wire colors, connections, and all that type of stuff. That link is in the description, and the card is over there in the corner. So for the people who know how to wire up a radio, you get the resource that you need on how to take one out, and for people who don't know, you have 2 resources. And I know everybody usually says every car is different. This is true, but as long as you have the harness and you don't cut that harness like you're supposed to, and you know what these wire codes mean, then you're going to be good to go. If you want to be a further supporter, we do have the Patreon link down there in the description as well for people who want to support the channel. Let's go ahead and put this radio in here so you can see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you guys find any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links in the description, Patreon links in the description. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all be blessed.